Ted Botsford's excerpts and his explanation of these masterworks of amazing works of art by Mozart and Bach. Oh, just probably the best symphonies ever. The bass parts are just so cool to perform. And maybe if you keep practicing, you could be like Ted and playing in world-famous orchestra with the greatest musicians, getting to play these major works like he gets to do. So it's really inspiring to have him explain what to think about. So how he plays is really, really helpful. And I hope that it inspires you to understand that we all love to play solo bass, but don't forget that you're also very good and can go and play in your orchestras, from your school orchestra to your community orchestras to youth symphonies to district and state. It's just fantastic stuff out there. A lifetime of enjoyment of playing the bass, not just solos, but orchestra parts. So much fun. Oh, you're going to love it. Ted was George's student, and George was very clever at putting orchestras in his method, from the Mahler, which many of you know, to the Elephant, Beethoven's Ninth. We hope this leads you down this path of getting inspired to learning these masterworks and playing bass for all kinds of ensembles. Keep practicing, and we hope to see you at the next KCBass event. Have fun.